Bonjour tout le monde. This is Anne from Artstarcastle. In this lesson, we are using the full circle game to make words from a group of letters. In this game, we will use the letters C, T, N, M, P, A, O. We will use these letters to spell the words cat, can, man, map, mop, cop, cap, cat. To begin, find an old newspaper or magazine and cut out the letters C, T, N, M, P, A, O.
K, T, N, N, P, A, O.
Spell cat. And just push them up a wee bit. Change one letter and make can. Can. Man. 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 Change one letter and make map. 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 Change one letter and make mop. Mop. Change one letter and make cop. Cop. Change one letter and make cap. Cap. Change one letter and make cat. Cat. Well done if you managed to find all the words using this group of letters. Au revoir tout le monde.